Hello students, so very good morning. Today I have come here to discuss with you people जो कि बहुत ही उम्दा कॉन्सेप्ट है केमिकल बॉन्डिंग में, दैट इज पोलर एंड नॉन पोलर कोवलेंट बॉन्ड्स. पोलर एंड नॉन पोलर कोवलेंट बॉन्ड्स. Now, what is polar and what is non-polar covalent bonds? Suppose a bond is formed between atom A and atom B, where electronegativity of A is equal to electronegativity of B. So in that case, what happens? We know that every bond contains two electrons. Every bond contains two electrons. So in that case, what happens? B is trying to attract this electron pair towards itself. Similarly, A is also trying to attract the electron pair towards itself because they have the same power. You can say they have the same power. अभी जो है, अगर दोनों का पावर सेम है, दोनों का स्ट्रेंथ अगर सेम है, तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन ना बी की तरफ जाएगा ना ए की तरफ जाएगा. मान लो कि एक इंसान है यहाँ पे, इसको एक इंसान यहाँ से खींच रहा है, एक इंसान यहाँ से खींच रहा है. सो अगर ये इंसान इतना दूर तक जाता है तो ये इंसान खींचने के बाद ये इंसान इतना दूर तक जाएगा. As a result, क्या होगा? Net displacement of that person is zero. Net displacement of the person is zero. Now what happens? So it means that now if I take this example here, means that this electron pair is being drawn by B atom as well as it is also drawn by A atom. So what happens? This electron pair becomes, or this electron pair remains somewhere in the middle of the bond. Okay, so for example we have like H2 molecule, Cl2 molecule, 1 2 3 4 5 6. इधर पे दो इलेक्ट्रॉन है, 2 3 4 5 6. Then O2 molecule, 1 2 3 4. These are lone pairs. So यहाँ पे दो बॉन्ड है. So another lone pair, and oxygen with another lone pairs. Similarly N2 molecule. So यहाँ पे क्या होता है? यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? So this N2 molecule is also having two atoms, similar atoms. That is, both are of equal energy and power and strength, you can say. So what happens? This electron pair remains somewhere in between of the bond. This electron pair will remain somewhere in the middle of the bond. So this type of molecules are called non-polar molecules. These type of molecules are called non-polar molecules. Okay. Now again दूसरा टाइप जो है हमारे पास वो है पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स. नाउ व्हाट इज पोलर मॉलिक्यूल? सपोज वी हैव वन मॉलिक्यूल AB where electronegativity of A is greater than electronegativity of B. So in that case what happens? This electron pair is drawn towards atom A. This electron pair will be attracted by the atom A. Now what happens if it is attracted by the atom A? So what happens? This electron pair will come towards A. Okay. Now since A is becoming now electron rich, अभी वो इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच हो गया. पहले से उसके पास लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स था, अभी वो इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच हो गया. So it will develop a partial negative charge over it, and B bachelor, who has got no electron towards itself because of its less power of drawing electrons towards itself, it will acquire partial positive charge. So ultimately क्या हो रहा है कि एक मॉलिक्यूल में हम देखेंगे एक पोल में पॉजिटिव है, एक पोल में नेगेटिव है. So the two types of pole has been developed in that type of molecule. Means you can say north pole and south pole. So similarly we can have positive pole and negative pole. Those molecules which have positive pole and negative pole in them, these are called polar molecules. These are called polar molecules. Okay. So this is what about polar molecule and non-polar molecule. Now, for example, we have few molecules like this. So few molecules are HF, HCl, HBr. So this electronegativity value was given by Linus Pauling. And that scale is called Pauling's scale of electronegativity. Okay, that scale is called Pauling's scale of electronegativity. Okay, so according to that Pauling scale, in the periodic table, fluorine is the atom which has high electronegativity value. Okay, then the electronegative value is for oxygen, which is of 3.5, then chlorine 3.0, then bromine 2.8, and the hydrogen atom, which is the most electropositive element in the periodic table. हाइड्रोजन एटॉम क्या है? वो सबसे ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव एलिमेंट है in the periodic table. It has electronegativity value as 2.1. So what happens if these atoms forms bond? This is Pauling's scale of electronegativity value. Okay, now this value you have to memorize. In some cases you may be provided with these values, but what I suggest, you please memorize these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. Fluorine 4.0, oxygen 3.5, chlorine 3.0, bromine 2.8, whereas hydrogen is having electronegativity value as 2.1. So what happens if these atoms forms bond? So suppose we have HF molecule. Okay, so F atom is more electronegative than hydrogen, so it will draw electron pair towards itself, so del minus charge it will develop, and hydrogen क्या होगा? del plus charge develop होगा. इसका स्केल है 2.1, इसका स्केल है 4.0. Similarly, if we have a Cl molecule, so Cl is more electronegative, उसका electronegativity कितना है? 3.0. और हाइड्रोजन का कितना है? 2.1. So Cl is much more stronger than hydrogen. So Cl will develop partial negative charge and hydrogen will develop partial positive charge. Okay, the shared pair of electron will go towards Cl. Now what happens? Hydrogen is having 2.1 and chlorine is having 3.0. For similarly for another molecule HBr, Br is more electronegative because it has value 2.8 and hydrogen is having value 2.1. So Br will develop, it will draw the electron pairs towards itself, bonded pair of electron towards इसकी तरफ खींचेगा. Okay, so what happens? Br में del minus charge develop हो जाएगा और H में del plus charge develop हो जाएगा. So since we have seen that in these molecules, in all these three molecules, these one positive pole and one negative pole develop हो रहा है molecule में. So that is why these molecules are called polar molecules. Just now what I have explained or defined the polar molecule. So since there are two poles being developed in this type of molecules, we can say that these molecules are polar molecules. अभी तो देखो, अभी क्या है, HF का फ्लोरीन का, HF में फ्लोरीन की इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी वैल्यू ज्यादा है, क्लोरीन में थोड़ा कम है 3.0 है, और ब्रोमीन में और भी थोड़ा कम है 2.8 है। तो एक कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है कि ग्रेटर द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस, greater the electronegativity difference, more polar is the covalent bond. Greater the electronegativity difference, जितना electronegativity difference का difference जितना ज़्यादा होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा polar होगा covalent bond. Okay, so what happens in that sense? We can say that polarity of HF is greater than polarity of HCl, which in turn is greater than polarity of HBr. Okay. Now it is seen that every polar covalent bond has a certain percentage of ionic character because of the two poles being developed in this type of molecule. These are covalent molecules. So these are covalent molecules, but since they are developing two poles, like for example one ionic molecule we can take NaCl. So Cl क्या है, del minus है, Na क्या है, del plus है. We know that pretty well. We have studied in ionic bond, so it is plus, Na plus and Cl minus. So इसमें दो पोल आ रहा है. So that is why these molecules are polar molecules. That is why all ionic molecules are polar molecules. Okay. But in this type of molecules where these molecules are covalent molecules, this molecule is a covalent molecule, this is a covalent molecule, this is a covalent molecule. So उस covalent molecule में due to the development of positive and negative pole in the molecule, due to the development of positive pole and negative pole in the molecule क्या हो रहा है, उसमें पोल डेवलप हो रहा है, और पोल डेवलप होने के कारण मोलिक्यूल में पोलैरिटी और आयनिक कैरेक्टर आ रहा है. ओके, सो मीन्स दैट व्हाट वी कैन से इन कंक्लूजन, every polar covalent bond has a some percentage of ionic character. Okay, now suppose we have a covalent bond AB. We have a covalent bond AB. So we have a covalent bond AB. Okay, A and B. So उसमें percentage of ionic character निकालने के लिए बेस्ड ऑन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस, परसेंटेज ऑफ आयनिक कैरेक्टर निकालने के लिए टू फेमस साइंटिस्ट हैज गिवन इक्वेशन. हेनी एंड स्मिथ हैज गिवन वन इक्वेशन व्हिच इज कॉल्ड एज हेनी एंड स्मिथ इक्वेशन. ये तुम्हारा एनसीईआरटी में बुक में नहीं मिलेगा तुमको, क्योंकि दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट सो फार एज योर एंट्रेंस पॉइंट इज कंसर्न. ओके, सो बोर्ड में भी कभी कभी क्या होता है कि अगर क्वेश्चन टफ करने की इरादा हो किसी एग्जामिनर का तो ये दे सकता है, बिकॉज यू कैनॉट से दैट दिस इज आउट ऑफ सिलेबस. ओके, सो यू शुड लर्न ऑल्सो हेनी एंड स्मिथ इक्वेशन. सो हेनी एंड स्मिथ इक्वेशन क्या बोल रहा है, परसेंटेज ऑफ आयोनिक कैरेक्टर is equal to, percentage of ionic character is equal to 16 into chi of A minus chi of B. What is chi? Chi of A is equal to electronegativity of A, and chi of B is electronegativity of B. Okay, so chi of A minus chi of B plus 3.5 chi of A minus chi of B whole square. Okay, so I will write it down here. What is chi of A? Is electronegativity of A, एंड chi ऑफ B क्या है? इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ B. ओके, इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ B. सो ये इक्वेशन में फिर से यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, शायद तुम लोगों को दिखाई ना भी दे रहा होगा वो. सो देखो ये क्या होता है, परसेंटेज ऑफ आयनिक कैरेक्टर इज इक्वल टू 16 इंटू chi ऑफ A माइनस chi ऑफ B प्लस 3.5 into chi of A minus chi of B whole square. Okay. So this is how you can find this equation, Henry-Smith equation. You can easily find percentage of ionic character in the molecule. Percentage of ionic character in the molecule. So for example, let us calculate the percentage of ionic character in CH-Cl bond. But let us calculate the percentage of ionic character in CH-Cl bond. Okay. So by this Henry-Smith equation. So by this Henry-Smith equation. Okay. So क्या होता है? Chi of CS is equal to 0.7. And chi of Cl is equal to 3.0. So what will be chi of Cl minus chi of Cs is equal to 3.0 minus 2.7 is equal to how much? कितना आ रहा है? ये कितना आ रहा है? 2.3. This is the value of chi Cl minus Cs. अभी हमारा इक्वेशन क्या है? परसेंटेज आयनिक कैरेक्टर is equal to third bracket 16 into chi of Cl minus chi of Cs plus 3.5 into chi of Cl minus chi of Cs whole square. Okay. So वैल्यू अगर बिठा दिया जाए यहाँ पे तो वैल्यू आएगा कितना आएगा माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स वैल्यू? So the value will come as equal to 16 into chi Cl minus Cs कितना है हमारा? 2.3. So 16 into 2.3. Okay. That bracket I should give plus 3.5 into 2.3 whole square. So value आएगा हमारा, अगर कैलकुलेशन करने के बाद वैल्यू आएगा 55.3% of ionic character is there in that molecule. 55% of 55.3% or approximately you can say 55% of ionic character is present in that molecule. So in this way the values will be given to you, supplied to you, और तुमको निकालना है what is the percentage of ionic character. Okay. So this is very simple equation. Percentage of ionic character is equal to 16 of electronegativity value of one atom A minus electronegativity value of one atom B plus 3.5 of electronegativity value of A minus electronegativity value of B whole square. So in this way we can find the percentage of ionic character in a molecule. Now what happens? So this value, this equation, this polarity and non-polarity concept, you can make it clear. Now what happens? We are very much clear with this concept. What happens in an ionic bond? Suppose this is an ionic bond. Okay, तो क्या हो रहा है? ये है एक ionic bond AB. Okay, so ionic bond AB. AB is an ionic compound. Where the electron, this is suppose cation. So this is electron cloud of cation. Will attract the electron cloud of anion towards itself. The electron cloud of cation will attract the electron cloud of anion towards itself. What happens? As a result, the electron cloud of anion gets somewhat distorted. Suppose this is electron cloud of anion. So what happens? The electron cloud of a cation, the cation is distort the electron cloud of anion. Cation will distort the electron cloud of anion. Okay, this distortion of electron cloud of the anion by cation, this distortion of electron cloud of anion by cation is known as polarization. So this you can write this polarizing cation, polarizing cation, and this is unpolarized anion, unpolarized anion. This anion is sitting unpolarized. And now what happens? This is polarized anion. This is polarized anion. Polarized anion. Okay. So now electron cloud of cation has tried to attract the electron cloud of anion towards itself. So what happens? As a result, electron cloud of anion gets distorted, and it will get somewhat position. It will get somewhat distorted figure like this. So this distortion of electron cloud of anion by cation is known as polarization. So what happens? Due to this polarization, two opposite charges are coming closer to each other. Due to this polarization, two opposite charges come closer, and they get their charges partially neutralized. They get their charges, positive will neutralize the negative charge. Okay. So that is why what happens? Ionic bond acquires some covalent character. Ionic bond acquires some covalent character, and which is explained by a famous rule which is called Fajans rule. Which is called Fajans rule. So Fajans rule क्या बोलता है? Fajans rule बोलता है कि अगर कैटायन का साइज कम है तो कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर, कैटायन का साइज अगर ज्यादा है तो कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर डिक्रीज होता है. सपोज वी हैव LiCl, size of cation. Number one is size of cation. Suppose we have LiCl, then NaCl, then KCl, then RbCl, then CaCl. तो यहाँ पे कैटायन जो है Li प्लस, Na प्लस, K प्लस, रुबिडियम प्लस, सीजियम प्लस. तो साइज ऑफ कैटायन किसका ज्यादा है? सो साइज ऑफ कैटायन किसका ज्यादा है? साइज ऑफ कैटायन ज्यादा नहीं, स्मॉल होगा. तो किसका ज्यादा स्मॉल है? लिथियम का. सो दिस इज स्मॉलर साइज, देन दिस इज देन दिस इज देन दिस. तो ऐसा है. तो क्या हो रहा है? कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर डिक्रीज कर रहा है. सो कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर विल डिक्रीज. कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर डिक्रीजेस. ओके. और सिमिलरली बोल रहा है, नंबर 1 था ये कॉन्सेप्ट. नंबर 2 है साइज ऑफ एनायन. ये लार्ज होना चाहिए, ओके. सो सपोज वी हैव NaF bond, then NaCl bond, then NaBr bond, then NaI bond. So इसमें एनायन का साइज फ्लोरीन F माइनस, Cl माइनस, Br माइनस, Ni माइनस आर दी एनायंस. तो साइजेस किसका ज्यादा है? सोडियम आयोडाइड का ज्यादा है, आयोडीन का ज्यादा है, देन ब्रोमीन, देन क्लोरीन, देन फ्लोरीन. सो कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर अगर साइज ज्यादा हो रहा है तो कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर इंक्रीजेस. कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर इंक्रीजेस. ओके. सो Fajans rule क्या बोल रहा है? In short we can conclude here that Fajans rule बोल रहा है अगर कैटायन का साइज कम है तो कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर, अगर कैटायन का साइज कम से ज्यादा हो रहा है तो कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर डिक्रीज कर रहा है, और अगर एनायन का साइज कम से ज्यादा हो रहा है तो कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर इंक्रीज कर रहा है. दिस इज Fajans rule. अगर कैटायन का साइज कम होने से कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर ज्यादा है, ओके. कैटायन का साइज कम होने से कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर ज्यादा है, और इंक्रीज होने से कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर डिक्रीज कर रहा है, और एनायन का साइज इंक्रीज होने से कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर इंक्रीज कर रहा है. सो ऑन दैट बेसिस ऑफ Fajans rule we can explain how a molecule will behave, whether covalent or ionic. And it is seen that in a ionic bond AB, the electron cloud of cation tends to attract the electron cloud of anion. As a result, there is distortion of the electron cloud of anion. Okay. So this distortion of electron cloud of anion by cation is known as polarization. So क्या होता है? So as a result, what happens? Positive charge and negative charge come closer to each other. Positive charge and negative charge come closer to each other, and thus the charges are partially neutralized. The charges are partially neutralized. So क्या होता है? आयनिक बॉन्ड में कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर आ रहा है, जिसको एक्सप्लेन किया फजांस रूल ने. फजांस रूल क्या बोल रहा है? कैटायन का साइज अगर कम है तो कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर ज्यादा होगा, और एनायन का साइज अगर ज्यादा है तो कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर भी ज्यादा होगा. तो फजांस रूल बोल रहा है कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर ज्यादा होगा अगर कैटायन का साइज कम है तो, और एनायन का साइज अगर ज्यादा है तो कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर ज्यादा होगा. So this is all about polarity and non-polarity, polar and non-polar covalent molecules, percentage of ionic character in covalent molecules, and also we have discussed Fajans rule. So next day we will discuss the degree of polarity measure करने के लिए जो टेक्निक यूज किया गया है, कितना डिग्री तक एक मोलिक्यूल पोलर है उसको हम निकालेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. So I think this concept will be of use to you people. So पढ़ाई करो अच्छे से. So if you feel any problem you can ask me. Okay. So with this I want to end up my lecture here today. Thank you very much my dear students.